Hi, I'm Laurel Tilley with Macanudo, and today I am smoking the Macanudo Inspirado Black. This is part of the second installation of the Inspirado series. It was released in 2017 alongside of our Inspirado White. This is going to be our medium to full-bodied selection. We're using a Connecticut Broadleaf wrapper that's actually grown in the Hartford, Connecticut area, Ecuador and Sumatra for the binder, and then all Nicaraguan filler. So Nicaraguan, Esteli, Ligero, and Seco. The Ligero is going to give it a little bit more strength, but the Seco is going to balance it out nicely. Flavor-wise, some notes of cocoa, coffee, very smooth, very rich. And don't let the color of the cigar intimidate you. It is actually only still that medium plus. Pairs very, very well with a stout or a porter if you're a beer drinker. Otherwise, it holds up nicely next to a fuller-bodied red, which is my personal favorite pairing. If you're not into alcoholic drinks, it's great with coffee or hot chocolates. Smokes well, very consistent. It's a good mid-afternoon to evening cigar, maybe after a meal. So if you like the Macanudo Inspirado Black, make sure you go check it out on SeriousCigars.com.